Hello guys, I'll be giving a review for last week and also how I took my last week trade. Though I did not really do anything last week, I was active with my job, so I was not really active in the market. I was not really on seats after I got this SL right here. No, last week we were expecting the market to push right from this side, right from this support level to take out this liquidity. This is what we're expecting the market to give us, but on Monday, immediately as the market opened with a very strong gap to the downside, and it took out our SL. So I was really not doing anything throughout, just watching the market to really give me a very active structure. You know, either to go for a short position or a long position before I do anything in the market. So I really did not participate in this very nice move, though we are still on an uptrend as long as this zone has not yet been broken. So I was still expecting the market to either give us that break retest before I say I want to go to the downside. Either give me a change of character, then pull back to a fair value gap, then continuation. This was what I was kind of expecting the market to give us, but eventually the market really did not give us that. So now here is a very nice liquidity zone. We have a very nice liquidity zone telling us if the market strips this liquidity eventually with this move, meaning this guy here, this zone here is really a hot cake, like real hot cake guy. Do a top-down analysis, so we know we have our best zones for next week. So let's clear the charts. So starting on the weekly, what are we seeing? Okay, on the weekly time frame, what are we seeing in the market? What is the market giving us? Let's plot out our zones. Plot out our zones. As usual, we have this very strong resistance zone right here, which ever since the market broke has been pushing down to the downside. We have this support zone right here, which the market is currently testing and reacting to. So this is what I have for my weekly. So let's go down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, the market is currently reacting to this support level, and we have not yet broken this structure. The moment we break this structure, we are down, like we are very, 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 very bearish. And believe me, the market will likely want to push a little up, push a little to the upside. Then, bam, this is really what I'm expecting the market to give us for this week. So on the daily, which zone are we seeing? Where are our important zones? So we have this zone right here, as usual. Very nice zone. Very, very nice zone. So let's go down to the 4-hour to get our precise zones that are precise for our entry. The 4-hour most times seems to be correct when it comes to structure, when it comes to plotting structural zones for precise entries. So we have this zone right here. Also have this zone right here. Very strong, important zone. Right here, okay? So this is the zone we're expecting the market to come to, as the market has tested it here as support, as resistance, also as resistance here, acted as support, then we broke down to the downside, acted as resistance, then pushed. Then we just have this very smooth push, very sharp push to the upside, broke it. So we are waiting for a retest of this zone before we see any continuation. This is the only place I'll be going in for a buy. So the market swept this liquidity here, swept that liquidity, so the market kind of pushing down to the downside. So for this coming week, I'm expecting the market to give us a sell. First, to give us a kind of little push, then push down to this zone before we get our confirmation, then go to sweep out this liquidity. And for our charts, we see that the markets, as we're expecting, wants to sweep out that liquidity and come back to this zone right here, this fair value gap, and sweeping out this liquidity. So this is basically what I am seeing. So I'll be going in for my buy. I'm going in for a buy right here, going in for a buy position at this zone right here, as there's a fair value gap in that zone to take out this liquidity zone, and also put my SL 1:3. Okay, I love 1:3 trade because it plays out most of the time. So as we can see here, we have this very nice fair value gap right here. Very nice fair value gap overlapping with this support right there. So this is what I'm expecting for the market to give us this coming week. So if you find this video helpful, do well to give it a thumbs up. Do well to give it a thumbs up. And also, it's your first time viewing this video or viewing any video in my channel, do well to subscribe as I give my weekly USDJPY analysis, like only USDJPY analysis in this channel. And also, if you're not sharing EXNESS, do well to go to my video description and get started trading with EXNESS. So when else we meet again, I wish you guys a happy trading and peace out.